Precision Door, a name you can trust.
So one of the safety features on a new garage door opener are sensor eyes. These are sensor eyes that cannot be disconnected. By law, they have to be working so that the door can see anything in its path of travel and not hurt a child or hit a car as it comes down. You have a power eye, which is the green one, and then you have a receiver that receives that signal from the power eye, and what they do is they talk to each other. And if anything breaks that beam, then the door stops. Sometimes they will get misaligned with kids playing and things of that nature, cleaning out in the corners and stuff, and they'll sort of get bumped and go sideways on them. When you press the wall button, what will happen is the door will stop and your light on the opener will start to blink. You want to look at both ends and make sure you have solid lights. It's either going to be one blinking light or it's going to be off completely, depending on how bad it's misaligned. You just make them face each other. Once you realign them, it'll turn on. So one of the big things too is to make sure that they're clean. You want to make sure there's no spider webs in there, no dirt got into the sensor eye itself. As you're realigning them, just clean them out so that way you don't have to worry about that end of it.
Precision Door Service, a name you can trust.